Welcome to the Nova Airmada channel, to the newcomers and to the usual suspects. Today's aircraft is the Air France Aérospatiale Concorde, wearing Air France's tricolor tail livery from the 1980s. This aircraft was powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus 593 turbojets with afterburners, with each engine able to generate up to 38,050 pounds force or 169 kilonewtons at full afterburner. The exit limit for this aircraft is 128 people, but in a normal 2-class layout, this aircraft can nominally carry 92 people. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 1,200 knots or 2,200 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,900 nautical miles or 7,300 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This aircraft was first acquired through lease from Aérospatiale by Air France on September 14th of 1978. This Concorde was painted in the Concorde variation of the current, as of 2023, Air France livery and registered as Foxtrot-Bravo Tango Sierra Delta. There was some initial back and forth between Air France and Braniff International Airways, where Braniff had the plane operating over the U.S. subsonically in early 1979 with a temporary registration of November 94 Sierra Delta. By 1980, the aircraft had been purchased outright by Air France and would remain with them for the rest of its flying career. During this Concorde's 25-year-long career, this aircraft acquired and still holds the westbound around the world record in 1992, and then in 1995 it acquired and still holds the eastbound around the world record. The eastbound record of 31 hours, 27 minutes, and 49 seconds is also the absolute record. In 1996, this aircraft was repainted with a blue Pepsi can livery, but could only operate for sustained periods of speeds under Mach 1.7. This Concorde's final flight was to Paris on June 14th of 2003, where it was retired to the Le Bourget Air and Space Museum, along with one of the prototype Concordes. All told, this aircraft flew nearly 13,000 hours, with 5,135 landings and 3,672 supersonic flights. This Concorde is kept up to near flight-worthy status by her museum caretakers, and of all the museum pieces, this one has the only working nose and visor system that works on its internal systems. What you're seeing now is a video showing the 1/4-inch scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2004. Our sources have 3 production runs of this aircraft, all by Gemini Jets in 1/4-inch scale, 2 in the current Air France livery and 1 in the Pepsi can livery. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.